Welcome to Los Angeles Union Station, one of the city's most iconic landmarks, and the largest railroad passenger terminal in the western United States. Opened in 1939, Union Station is often called the last great railway station built in America. Located on the edge of downtown Los Angeles, it has served as a gateway to the city for millions of travelers for more than 8 decades. Today, the station connects long-distance rail services, regional commuter trains, and the Los Angeles Metro network. But Union Station is much more than a transportation hub. It is also a remarkable piece of architecture, blending Spanish Colonial Revival, Mission Revival, and Art Deco design elements into one beautiful historic building. As we explore both the exterior and interior of the station, you'll see elegant details, spacious courtyards, towering palm trees, and the timeless charm that has made Union Station a favorite filming location for countless movies and television productions. Whether you're visiting Los Angeles for the first time or rediscovering a familiar landmark, join me for a closer look at one of Southern California's most fascinating historic treasures. We are now looking at the historic ticket concourse, one of the most important spaces inside Los Angeles Union Station. When the station opened in 1939, this concourse served as the heart of passenger activity. Travelers would come here to purchase tickets, gather information, and prepare for journeys across California and the United States. The space was designed to reflect the elegance and optimism of the golden age of rail travel. Notice the impressive scale of the room, the symmetry of the design, and the rich architectural details that have been carefully preserved for more than 8 decades. Looking up, the ceiling reveals the craftsmanship that helped make Union Station famous. The exposed wooden beams and decorative features complement the station's distinctive blend of Spanish Colonial Revival, Mission Revival, and Art Deco styles. Although this historic concourse is no longer used for its original purpose, it remains a remarkable reminder of a time when rail travel was the primary gateway to Los Angeles. Standing here today, visitors can still experience a space that has changed very little since Union Station first welcomed passengers in 1939. We are now standing in the historic waiting room of Los Angeles Union Station, one of the station's most iconic and recognizable spaces. When Union Station opened in 1939, this room welcomed passengers arriving from across California and from destinations throughout the United States. For many travelers, this was their first impression of Los Angeles. The waiting room was designed to be both elegant and comfortable. Look closely and you'll notice the original wooden seating, many of which have been carefully preserved. The high ceiling, large windows, and warm natural light create an atmosphere that feels remarkably similar to what passengers would have experienced more than 80 years ago. Union Station is often celebrated for its unique architectural style, combining elements of Art Deco, Mission Revival, and Spanish Colonial Revival design. The waiting room showcases this blend beautifully through its materials, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Over the decades, millions of travelers have passed through this space. Today, the waiting room remains one of the best preserved features of Union Station, offering visitors a rare opportunity to experience a piece of America's railway history almost exactly as it appeared when the station first opened its doors in 1939. We are now walking through one of Union Station's historic corridors. Since the station opened in 1939, countless travelers have passed through these hallways on their way to trains and destinations across the country. Many of the original architectural details have been carefully preserved, helping to maintain the station's timeless character. As we step outside Union Station, the tall, light brown building nearby, is One Gateway Plaza, also known as the Metro Headquarters Building. Completed in 1995, it serves as the main administrative headquarters for the Los Angeles County Metropolitan Transportation Authority, commonly known as Metro. Its modern design stands in contrast to the historic architecture of Union Station, reflecting how this area continues to function as both a historic landmark and an active transportation hub for the city today. As our visit to Union Station comes to an end, we've explored one of Los Angeles' most remarkable historic landmarks, a place where architecture, history, and transportation come together under one roof. From its grand waiting room and historic ticket concourse to its elegant corridors and timeless design, Union Station continues to tell the story of rail travel in Southern California. Thank you for joining me on this walk through one of the city's most iconic destinations. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again as we continue exploring fascinating places and uncovering the stories behind them. Until next time, thanks for watching.